We're starting the progression here by talking about where to put the hands on the rings. We want the hands on top of the rings in a modified false grip rather than the fingers on top of the rings to create a better transition into that ring dip. Now we're going to move to the box transition drill here, where we're thinking about pressing into the box with those heels, getting our hips up high and over, and then throwing those hips behind the rings as we go into the ring dip. We can do the same type of a drill with a band transition here, but this is going to mimic more of the strength and skill needed to get into the high rings. So we're going to start here. We're going to work on a little bit more of an elastic response, utilizing the elasticity of that band to help us focus on getting up to the rings and then over the rings. But we are actually pressing ourselves out of the dip position here to get to the top of the ring muscle up. Now moving to the high rings here, we're going to work on the kip ring swing with the towel drill. The towel drill is going to help us focus on a little bit tighter hollow to arch position to get into a better dynamic position to move to the top of the rings. So we're thinking about sweeping those toes and then pushing the rings back, creating tension in the posterior delt. We can move up to 2 boxes here to get us to learn how to kind of jump into the ring muscle up to start us before moving into the actual kipping drill over the top of the rings. And we can even put a spotter here to press us into it. Now, we're going to go into 3 ring swings, right into pull to hips, with the focus on utilizing the lats and maintaining a hollow body position before moving to the top of the rings. Now we're going to jump up into that ring muscle up, utilizing that same kip and swing. Now we're going to talk about linking those ring muscle ups. First one here, we're going to do a ring muscle up, go to support, then we're going to go bottom of dip, push away, and lean into that next transition. Now this one, we're going to press the rings away and move right into that next ring muscle up. And again, it's push the rings away and over the top to a better muscle up transition.